Hunun kada-kada Tropa diba Kalampusan ang dala Kalampusan ang dala
Karon, gabi una mga kauban, we express our sincere gratitude to all founders and the past leaders, management and staff, all partners, especially to our members who continue to believe in the cooperative way.
Punong kadekada, kooperatiba, mawikawon maunta.
In 1966, started with a tiny capital of only 48 pesos, led by the visionary attorney Mordeno Cua. Kinsa may magtuo that those 48 pesos would transform today into a 15 billion peso empire.
48 pesos, salamat sa Diyos. Kundugon tang kapitos, ug ang kahigwaos. Waton ta ang kawaton, ang kakugi ipadayon.
Kaugmaon ang kunon kalampusan maato na buhok Ang kaharuan
By preserving its co-op identity, I believe OIC can prosper and become even more a model to other cooperatives, not only in Mindanao, but in the Philippines as well.
48 pesos.
Ako, member man pod ko sa OIC, makaingon gid ko nga we will grow together here sa OIC pag member ka. Make it ang health insurance as accessible or mas maayo part sa program.
48 pesos, salamat. Solo. Higita.
60 years is not an easy thing. So, senior citizen na po kayo. But more than that, 60 years symbolizes diamond. It symbolizes strength. It symbolizes endurance. It symbolizes resiliency. And I think that's the basic characteristic of what OIC has right now and in the next future to
sa
come.
ulog ang kadaugan Madako o magamay man ang kasing-kasing buhian nga makahimok kayuhan alang kanimo ug alang sa uban mao kini
As we celebrate 60 years of shared purpose and collective progress, it is fitting that we are guided by a leader whose life work reflects the enduring strength of the cooperative movement in the Philippines.
Isawulog ang kadaugan Madako o magamay man ang kasing-kasing buhian nga makahimog kayuhan alang kanimo ug alang sa uban.
Ang mga miyembro sa Oro Integrated Cooperative, swerte sila kay ang OIC is a very safe and sound cooperative. Kung naay inyong kwarta dinha, dili mo mahadlok nga mawala kay maayo ang ilang governance, maayo pod ang ilang sistema. Walang kaba kung naa ka sa OIC, you are safe and also even your money that is with OIC.
OIC, thank you for the trust. It has been my privilege and honor. May what we remember tonight guide what we build tomorrow. The threads continue. To God be all the glory.
Hunun kada-kada
Congratulations sa ika-60th anniversary of Oro Integrated Cooperative. For CDA, we see OIC as the leader in making life better for the members par excellence.
Punong kadekada sa OIC. Tara na sa kooperatiba. Muuswag tara na. Mahayag na kaugmaong kabutong karon labing dako nga puhunan ang kabatan unan. Punong kadekada.
Tonight was more than a program. It was a tribute to 60 years of cooperation and to the people who continue to make it meaningful. From all of us at OIC, daghan kayong salamat for celebrating with us.
Ang kaharuhay ipatuloy.